Hello, I am Hassan from Prahas Healthcare LLP One-Stop Solutions. Again here to represent some interesting solutions for IVD manufacture. Today I am going to discuss about assembly and pouching machine with fully automation. During last 15 years of working with different industry colleagues, I learned from them that there are common problems they are facing for assembly and pouching activity. The most common pain area or most common problem is the manpower. There is a problem in availability. There is a problem even though they are available, you have to train them, and even to spend repeatedly energy on training them again and again. They are human. They are ultimately human. So they are prone to do errors, and those errors go to the market and come as a customer complaint, and it creates very bad image for manufacturers. To avoid, to solve this problem, we are representing you the fully auto assembly and pouching machine, which needs minimal human intervention, and it can produce fully packed device in pouch without having 40 or 50 manpower on manufacturing line. It needs only 2 manpower to handle from uncut sheet to convert it into the packed pouch. So let's come and see the machine in detail that is working, how it works. As you can see here, you have to put the bottom parts into these 2 ball feeders, which aligns it automatically and transfer it to positioning conveyor. Here, from here, it gets fully auto alignment and it transferred to the pallet where you can have the strips manufactured from uncut sheets. So from uncut sheets, it gets cut and inspect, and then they place it into the assembled device. After putting assembled device, the top part is placing here, and then they press it. Now this pressing unit is designed in such a way that you can adjust the pressure precisely depending on your products. And as you can see, there are multiple vision inspection system installed at each stage, so you can remove all the not good parts from the machine, and machine after making assembly it transferred to this conveyor for having packed in the aluminum pouch. In aluminum pouch, as you can see, they are transferring the cassettes from here, and aluminum pouch are being picked from here to this pocket, and then desiccant is coming from the back. Here you can see it inspects the absence presence of the components and filling components into the pouch. After filling, it goes for the sealing of aluminum pouch, where you can precisely set the temperature and the sealing width. So as you can see here, this is the collection bin for finally assembled and packed pouch. You can see the quality and uniformity of the sealing. It contains 2 components, the desiccant and the cassette. So by this implementing, you can start your journey to improve your quality and efficiency of your manufacturing unit. Yes, of course, every entrepreneur wants to implement this kind of solution. But when it comes for automation, it comes with the cost of implementation. And here, we at Prahas Healthcare did the machine very simple, affordable and accessible in such a way that your return on investment is as low as within 1 year. Yes, you heard it very right. It's less than 1 year. So don't wait in this competitive market of rapid diagnostic test. If you are not doing this and keep waiting, then your competitor is definitely doing this. Please bring your samples to our facility. Machines are ready for demonstration. You can come and see these machines live in action. Thank you.